what's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but...
Hey guys, welcome back. Today is basically a speed clean with me. I had done so much decluttering basically off camera. I didn't really have time to record it because I was definitely in the zone and wanted to declutter as much as I could, especially with our master bedroom. But today is basically kind of like the after effects of all of that decluttering. Going to be just cleaning my daughter's room, going through our master, doing a little bit of upstairs cleaning, and definitely taking things that are going to need to go into storage or donated or to a friend's house. That's going to end up getting packed up and taken into our car. This basically what's happening today is basically right before we are decorating for the holidays. Now I wanted to decorate a little bit earlier, but you know, 2 small kids, definitely things do not always work out on our schedule the way we really want to, but that's okay because I've already taken down a lot of the Christmas stuff and I am super ready to decorate for Christmas. And if you guys are already enjoying this video, I would love if you gave it a thumbs up, and if this is the type of content that you really enjoyed watching, I would love if you subscribe to my channel. So you guys see me start off in my daughter's room, and I ended up breaking this little pottery thing. That's okay because I literally had nothing to do with it anymore. I felt like it was in the way, so not that I wanted it to break, but I guess it's one less thing in the house that we don't need, so it's okay anyways. But tons of decluttering was happening. I actually, off camera as well, went through, organized my daughter's closet, all of her clothes. I did a lot more purging of her clothes as well as in our room. Took down a lot of the Christmas decoration. Took down a lot of the Halloween decorations, the fall decorations, basically prepping to get ready for Christmas. And what's really exciting is that the next video will be a Christmas decorate and clean with me. I'm super excited about that one. But I want to hear from everyone. How are you guys doing today? What are you cleaning? Have you decorated for Christmas? Now, I did say I was going to decorate earlier, but I have 2 small kids, and not everything that I want to do is easily and accomplished on time, basically. We've had spelling tests, we've had quizzes that we've had to prepare for, study. We have a additional project that my son has to do. So yeah, so definitely just a little bit busier. And I will finally get to the Christmas decorations. But anyways, let me know if you guys have Christmas or decorate for Christmas yet. I would love to hear from you. Do you guys go all out? Do you guys just do minimal Christmas decorations? Is it the tree? What do you guys do?
Without you here, we barely said goodbye before you disappeared. It's been so cold without you here. Gonna lie, don't know what I'd do without you. Maybe we could try to figure out a way to put our past aside. I've realized I only want you.
So I got my husband to help me, and you guys can see all of those bags of clothes. Now that is basically most of my kids' stuff. There's definitely some of my things, and a lot of that stuff is going into storage just because we do not have the space in this house. We had a lot more space in our old house. We definitely had storage space. We just don't have any space, so we have to rent a storage, like locker, I guess that's what you call it. And we still even have more furniture. We have like dining tables in there. We have other tables in there. We have more couches, more bedroom furniture. I mean, we definitely moved from a bigger house, and this house is only temporary for us because we had it. When we're gonna buy the next house, I have no idea. I am literally getting desperate to finally move. We just need a bigger yard, but we also just don't want to settle. We kind of want the right house so we can remodel ourselves. Anyways, yes, lots of decluttering, lots of purging that happened.
I'd rather be with you than someone I don't know. Now it's like we're living in two separate worlds. Come back to me, say that you won't go. I can't cope without you and I wanna hold you close. Say that you won't go. Say that you won't go.
The one thing that I really noticed is that there is just so much more dust, I feel like, recently. And I'm not sure if it's because the furnace is on now, and most likely my vents need to be cleaned. But I just feel like we just got this swoosh of tons of dust. And it's weird because the AC uses the furnace vents. You know, they all have the same kind of HVAC vents. But yeah, the minute we turn on the furnace, it is like just loads and loads and loads of dust. Even though we have a new furnace filter in there. I'm not sure what it is, but I definitely have to get my my HVAC vents cleaned up very soon because I cannot deal with the amount of dust, especially today when I was cleaning. Just tons of dust everywhere.
Mistakes. Maybe I just found the answers. Maybe I just found the answers in you. Come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand. You're all that I have now. I won't let you go. 'Cause I found all the answers.
All those pillows on the side, I have to figure out what we're going to do with them. I definitely have to get some new covers for them. That body pillow probably needs a new cover, and it's going to go into my son's room. But for now, I just kind of threw them on the side in a basket.
Take me away. I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me.
So the biggest thing in the kitchen is that a lot of the cupboards, a lot of the counter space has just gotten cluttered. And I mean with like random things. Above the coffee area, my husband decided that's where all the Band-Aids go, but because we have our cupboards are super visible, everything is glass, I mean clearly doesn't look right. So I just wanted to get everything out of those cabinets that has been accumulating, throwing everything into a basket, which will then get organized downstairs. A lot of the things are mostly things that we probably won't ever use again, that we don't need. So my whole goal, especially for the new year, is that I have to, and I keep saying it, but I really do have to get better at it. I want to keep less things. I definitely want to buy less things because I feel like I definitely buy a lot of stuff that isn't even necessarily maybe usable. Like I have to stop at the dollar store because I feel like every time I go to the dollar store too as well, I just end up getting all of these things that we don't necessarily need. I think it ends up getting in the way and you have a lot of small little cluttered pieces. But yes, so the cabinets are getting cleaned out right now. And I'm going to actually end up putting some Christmas pieces in there. That's going to be cute. You guys see that Merry and Bright sign? I already just threw that up when I took down the pumpkin sign.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna.
Like this is definitely not the place for medications and Band-Aids because it's super visible. So I did take everything down. I ended up also later cleaning more of the cabinets and just really kind of clearing them out. I definitely have to put like decorative pieces in there, and there's like coffee mugs that I have for Christmas that I want to put up there. That's just gonna look so much better than those Band-Aids.
Fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire.
So this is all of the fall and Halloween decorations. This has to be completely packed up into the boxes, and I will do this once I bring in the Christmas boxes, and I'll use one of the Christmas boxes to basically put this in there, just because I'm kind of running out of boxes and storage space. And then you guys, look how much laundry I had to do. I definitely once, I don't know, let's say once every month I slack on the laundry. And most of the time I'm pretty good at, folding the laundry as we kind of do it and it comes out of the dryer. But it seems to be like the pattern of once a month. I get super busy, super preoccupied. I wash everything, but I don't get around to folding it right away. And today is the day. There were so many loads of laundry. I had so many socks to pair, which I hate pairing socks as well. But it had to be done. All of this had to be accomplished. I want to hear from you guys. Do you guys always stay on top of your laundry? Or do you let it build up like this? I mean, I think laundry is probably my least favorite thing to do out of all of the cleaning. Let me know how you feel about your laundry. And you guys see me, I've taken down a lot of the Christmas stuff. There's trees and everything already over there. Now I'm taking down the Christmas boxes. Yes, my garage needs to get decluttered. We'll be doing that in springtime. But taking down a lot of the Christmas boxes so that way we can get started. My husband does have to help me bring in those Christmas boxes because they are super heavy, way heavier than I thought they would be.
Hold my hand and look me in the eyes so I can tell you how I feel. Tell you how I feel. Every day is something new. If I spend it with you, with you, with you. Oh, I want you right now, and I need you right now, you right now.
I know I look silly over here. I brought a broom to take out the last of those presents. I know this looks ridiculous, but my husband wasn't home and I wanted to just do it and get it accomplished. And I was a little worried that if I stuck in the shelving that it would all come falling down on me. So I ended up using a broom. I have these gold gear. Definitely have to figure out how to make them stand. My husband's got like these little clips that we kind of, I guess, push into the grass. Still have to find that. But in the next video, you will see me getting the outside decorated. And the final thing that I had to do today is I wanted to rake the leaves in front of the house. Yes, we still don't have a what's it called? A rail for the front of the house. When we're gonna get to it, I have no idea. But luckily we only have like 4 stairs. But I definitely had to rake all of the leaves and get it prepared right before we put up our Christmas decorations outside. If you guys enjoy this video, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up. And if this is the type of content you like, subscribe to my channel. I would be so, so grateful.